don't dada to the lie, don't dada to the lie, don't dada to the lie.
My producer, see my most intelligent producer, bro. Anytime we I see you, I dey get joy, rivers of joy, bro. This guy I know dey lie, nah, my man. But I dey feel you like this, I swear I dey feel you. You dey bust my head, bro. See, the jam wey I wan give you today, yeah, bro, you go fear.
Correct guy. Alpha, just give me 1 minute. Man,
no wahala, bros. Make I sit down, wait for you. See my bro, bro, make I wait for you. Correct, hey, bro. Yeah. Boy, this jam go mad, oh.
Oh my God.
Hey, man. Oh, Baba, see which kind wahala be this now? Hello? Babe, I been tell you say I dey go studio now. Which kind wahala? I dey studio like this, me and producer now. Abeg, I go call you back when we finish. I go call you back.
Who dey provoke you now?
Oh boy, this girl get wahala, oh. Like this girl na big wahala. I never see this kind girl before, bro. I don't know who sent me go follow short girl, oh bro. I don't know who sent me go follow short girl. Nah, so wahala. This girl dey give me since when I start dey follow am, oh. I no fit drink water, keep. You see, I never even talk finish. She don dey call me again. Which kind wahala na? Yeah? Which kind problem? Which kind short wahala be this one?
Apostle, we hear of this.
Yeah, short, but the problem is she carry it up as and by far, bro. I know, I see, the headache where they worry me, it don't affect my eyes, my eye don't get headache, bro. I just, oh, my see, which kind of life be this, man? Which kind of life?
Don't relax, take it easy, take it easy.
Which one be why I delay to pick your call again? Which girl voice? Now voice me.
Continue.
She producer voice now you don't turn to woman. I mean I'm producer they talk now, babe. Abeg make I call you back. Abeg make I call you back. We dey very busy. Abeg. Now beg I dey beg you, babe. I go call you now when we finish. Which kind of wahala now? Which kind of wahala be this bros now? Which kind of wahala? It to say I even use this girl do trade by barter for don't do am since so.
Oh my God.
Maba see God. This girl don't give me too much problem. This girl don't give me too much problem. She dey shock me like say na electric. Say bros, I don't know who sent me. Who sent me? I don't know. Hey, Maba see which kind.
Don't dada to the lie, don't dada.
See, my brother, let me tell you. As you watch that video, you know like you know like we are click the like button, the thumbs up, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Correct guy. Don't dada say so.
Don't dada to the lie, don't dada.